Hello everyone, welcome to Java Programming 2 and CS 143. This is week 2 review, and I'm going to talk what we have learned during week 2. So let me start with what we have learned during this week. So there was so many type of the objects, and so for example, like actual type. What is the actual type? Object. The actual type of object is like the actual type of the variable, which is actual class for the object differentiated by variables. In the same way, like the other thing was case string objects. What is that? It's converting an object of one object type into another object type, and the content of that object doesn't change. So yeah, this is one of the benefit of the the other thing is the constructor chaining. So the constructor chaining is the instance of class, involves all the constructor chaining superclasses along the inheritance chain. And the other thing was the dynamic binding. The dynamic binding is a method. It's a method need to be defined in a superclass, and it's actually overriding in a subclasses. That's actually the implementation of the method used in a particular call, and will be determined dynamically by JVM, which is Java Virtual Machine at runtime. This capability that's you determine dynamically and use on a particular call that's what is called dynamic binding. And the other thing is the polymorphism. So it's the feature of an object of a subclass that could be used by any code designed to work with objects of its superclass. So yeah, those are like the main outcome from week 2, and the most topic we covered during this week was a superclass, subclass, super keyword usage, overriding method, overriding versus overloading, polymorphism, dynamic binding, casting object, the array list in class, and the methods for the list that we use. And about the difficult topics, so I would say I just have an idea about the polymorphism, but at all I don't know. I didn't get this one. So I would say this is like the hard or the hardest topic or difficult topic for me was that polymorphism in also this subclass, superclass. I don't know. Sometimes it was kind of confusing for me. And so yeah, those are the one that I know of, difficult topics. And regarding the material for the class, they're useful. So I have a request if you can have more examples work in the video during the lecture time, so that will help a lot student to better understand how to code, and especially related to each topic. So that will be awesome. And rather than that, they're good. That's so good. So yeah, that was the whole thing during this week, and hopefully we learn more next week. Thank you all.